How to delete your Instagram account permanently, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can delete your Instagram account. Well, the first thing to note is that you can't do this directly on the Instagram application. You can either do this on your desktop or you will have to open up your browser in your phone. Once you do that, head on over to help.instagram.com. And once you go into the Instagram Help Center, you're going to click on Manage Your Account on the left panel. Once you do that, click on Delete Your Account over here. Once you click on the Delete Your Account page, you will see three options and you're just going to click on Delete Your Account. Then scroll down and you will see this link over here, which is the Delete Your Account page. You're going to click on that, and once you click on Delete Your Account page, from here you can select any reason and enter your password, and then your Instagram account will be deleted, and it will be deleted within 1 month. And if you want to recover it before that, you have the option to recover it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.